Have you ever pondered the similarities between the vast cosmos and the intricate workings of our own brain? A question that may seem unusual at first, yet it holds within it a fascinating concept. This concept is the striking resemblance between the structure of the cosmos, with its galaxies scattered across the universe, and the human brain, with its complex network of neurons. Both the cosmos and the brain function as networks. Think of the galaxies in the universe, each one unique and distinct, yet all interconnected in a vast cosmic web. Now consider the human brain. It's composed of billions of neurons, each one a node that connects with countless others, forming an intricate web of its own. The universe, with its galaxies, and the brain, with its neurons, are both complex networks, each node serving a specific role within the system. The universe might seem infinite and our brain infinitesimal, yet they share an uncanny resemblance. While this may seem like a poetic musing, it is in fact a subject of serious scientific inquiry. The curious parallels between the intricate networks of the human brain and the vast cosmos have not escaped the attention of researchers. A fascinating body of work has emerged exploring the possibility that these similarities are not mere coincidence but could be deeply rooted in the fundamental laws of nature. Enter two noteworthy figures in this field: neuroscientist Vasily Vakhorin and physicist Franco Vaza. These scientists, hailing from disparate disciplines, have been drawn together by this shared curiosity. Their research delves into the intriguing similarities between the structures of the human brain and the cosmos. Vakhorin, a specialist in the human brain, spends his time studying how neurons, the basic units of the brain, interact and connect to form a complex network. On the other hand, Vaza, with his background in astrophysics, is fascinated by the cosmic web, the vast galaxy-filled filaments that make up the universe. When these two worlds collide, a captivating hypothesis emerges. Vaza and Vakhorin propose that these similar structures might not be a result of chance. Instead, they could be a consequence of the fundamental laws of nature that govern both the microscopic and the macroscopic world. The same laws that dictate the motion of celestial bodies could also be steering the growth and connectivity of our brain's neurons. This hypothesis, if proven true, could revolutionize our understanding of both the universe and ourselves. It suggests that the human brain, with its billions of neurons, is not an isolated phenomenon, but a natural consequence of the laws that shape the universe. However, this research is still in its early stages. It's a tantalizing possibility that requires further exploration, more data, and deeper understanding. But the potential implications are staggering, hinting at a profound interconnectedness of all things, from the neurons in our brains to the galaxies in the cosmos. As Vaza and Vakhorin concluded in their research, the cosmic web of galaxies and the network of neurons in the human brain show more than a qualitative similarity. This statement paves the way for a journey of discovery that may ultimately reveal the universe within us. Yet the question remains, what does this uncanny resemblance mean for us? These striking similarities between the structure of our brain and the cosmos might not be a mere coincidence. It could be a sign, a hint, a clue to something much more profound. Scientists theorize that understanding the structure of the cosmos might actually help us understand our own brains better. Imagine, for a moment, that our brains are like miniature universes, each neuron, a star, with its own galaxy of connections. The way these neurons interact, the pathways they form, could very well mirror the way stars and galaxies interact on a cosmic scale. Now, if this hypothesis holds true, it could mean that there is a universal law governing all networks from the cosmos to our brains. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? A universal law, a fundamental truth that could explain how everything in the universe is connected. But what could this law be? Could it be something as simple as gravity, pulling everything together? Or could it be something more complex, something we haven't even begun to understand yet? The implications of such a law would be immense. It could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It could redefine our understanding of consciousness, of what it means to be alive. It could even open up new avenues for technological innovation, from artificial intelligence to interstellar travel. My personal opinion, and I have been studying the nature of reality for a long time from different sides, is that this is exactly the case, as assumed in what has already been said. And I explain this pattern first of all with the help of the theory of fractals. As the greatest scientist Benoit Mandelbrot once said, "If you want to see eternity, look into the depths of the fractal," which I completely agree with him, and I will add the second part, looking into the eyes, you will see the great fractal of eternity there. Naturally, what has been said will be re-verified many times through rigorous scientific research, through observation, experimentation, and analysis. And at the same time, we will continue to look into the depths of the universe and into the depths of our own minds in search of answers. While we may not have all the answers right now, it is the search for these questions that moves us forward in our understanding of the universe and ourselves. However, even now, I would say that one answer is obvious. The universe is alive and is part of the greater cosmos, the great living organism, the supreme mind, and we in our brain are the whole universe according to the principle of fractality and the whole macrocosm, and are the creators.